my rendition of it anyways. It goes like this. It's called That's How Strong My Love Is. Sun way up there, I go in the most everywhere. And I feel the moon when the sun is down. Know that I'll sit around. That's how strong my love is, darling. Strong my love is. That's how strong my love is, yeah. Strong my love is. I'll be the weeping willow, drowning my own tears. You know every chop when you are here. And I'll be the rainbow when the sun is down. You know that I'll stick around. Well, that's how strong my love is, yeah. Strong my love is. That's how strong my love is, yeah. Strong my love is. Well, I'll be the ocean, so deep and wide. Catch a tear when you cry. I'll be the breeze when the storm is gone. Dry your eyes and I'd love you all. That's how strong my love is, yeah. Strong my love is. That's how strong my love is, darling. The strong my love is. If I were the sun way up there, I go with love most everywhere. And I'll be the moon when the sun is down. Know that I'm still around. That's how strong my love is. Strong my love is. That's how strong my love is, yeah. Strong my love is, yeah, yeah, yeah. Strong my love is. That's how strong my love is. Strong my love is.
That's good.
Thank you. You know that song? Anybody? I love Otis. He's just something else.